Does it matter when you post YouTube videos to your channel? Well, I think it matters big time, and I'm going to tell you why. Hey, my name is Dane Golden, and I make these videos because I love helping brands and marketers and business owners like you grow your customer community through helpful how-to videos. Now, you've got a great YouTube video. When should you post it? Well, I think that it depends on a lot of factors. My first statement to you is I'm going to recommend the time you don't post it is simply because the video is done. That's about the worst time to post it. YouTube is not Dropbox. You don't just post it willy-nilly. It's more like television programming. Even though you can get a video on your DVR because you've recorded that channel, that doesn't mean that it's not important when it comes on broadcast. The same with YouTube. It's important when the video comes out because YouTube ranks videos by how much traffic they get in a short period of time from when they upload. So you want to be uploading, or more accurately publishing, because you can upload in advance. But you want to be publishing, making it live at the time when most of your viewers will be watching, all right? And that could be different depending on what type of business you have. You should really know who your customers are, right? Are they the type of people that are working all day and don't want to look at this during the work week? Or are they people that really do want to look at this during the work week? It could really go either way. For instance, if you have a business where people do work on weekends and projects on the weekends around the house, etc., you may find that Friday to Sunday are your best days. Or if you find that you're working with marketers, well, it may very well be that 8 to 6 in your main time zone during the week are your better days and weekends are not as good. Conversely, you may find that you want to access people that you haven't been accessing, so you might want to go counter to the trend. Also, I'm going to encourage you to never upload more than one YouTube video during the day. Now, a lot of companies, they get 5 videos done and they upload them all. And sometimes they upload them in the middle of the night when no one's watching. But the thing is, think about how much YouTube your customer would watch on a given day. How much do you watch on a given day? I've made a video about, what your video habits should be as a marketer on YouTube. You should be watching a lot of YouTube. But let's say it's not something about your profession. How guilty do you get after watching a video that's not about your profession after about 5 minutes while you're sitting at your desk? You probably feel pretty guilty. So watching 2 videos, you feel pretty guilty. And so you may only watch 1 video. That's just my guess. Think about when your customer would be most likely to watch videos. And you can also look in the analytics to see what days. And if you look in real time, you can see what hours of the day and even what minutes of the hour they're likely to watch most. You may find you've got a great lunchtime audience and it just kicks in at noon and ends at 1. Also, if you're in the US, there's 4 different time zones. So think of that. When is the optimum time that you'd get people as they're maybe sitting down to their desk or before they leave at the end of workday? It really depends what you think your audience is going to do as far as watching videos. Because that first few hours, the first hour, the first 4 hours, the first 24 hours are really important. But the faster your YouTube videos get watched, the better they're going to do. If they get watched very fast, they have what's called view velocity, and they will shoot up. They will get ranked very high and they'll get a ton of views. It really depends on your customer. Now, there are tools that will tell you what day is the best day. vidIQ is one of them. And I think it's okay tool. It's not my favorite. I love that tool, but that's not my favorite part of it because I don't always agree with it. And you'd have to test it out over a number of weeks to determine whether you think that what time they're saying is the best time for you, or maybe it's only the best time for you because you used to post at that time and then people got notified about the videos and then they watched it at that time. So the logic there is, I'm just not sure it's 100% accurate. But I love those guys. Everything else they do, spot on. It's a very tough thing to guess or approximate when the best time is. Now, what if you're posting a video in anticipation of a tentpole event, something that's going to happen that's very big for your company, or it's a national holiday or a religious holiday or something like that, like Halloween or Christmas? How far should you post in advance? Should you post that day or the day before? No, you should post about 3 to 4 weeks before, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, because that video has to find time to get into search to be found by your customer at the right time. So that type of tentpole event, you want to plan ahead, have that already done some weeks and uploaded and published some weeks in advance. And if it starts to die out, that may be an opportunity for you to use some paid media to make sure your customers are seeing it the right time at the right day. Also, you could just post it whenever people are used to seeing it. If you're the type of channel that's been posting at 11 o'clock every night and tons of people are watching it, keep posting then, because you've conditioned your audience to show up. But if you're not getting good views, you may want to look for a better time and a better day to post. But remember, no more than 1 video per day. I posted another video at a different time for you to watch right here, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. So I'll see you in the next video.